Hi, I'm Eric Schultz, and I used to have a paralyzing fear of heights. But rather than let the fear limit me, I decided to use it as a catalyst for innovation.
A pressure washer attached to a drone.
We believe that buildings deserve to be clean and workers deserve to be safe.
Liberty Drones is made up of 3 men, a drone pilot, someone maneuvering the hose pipe, and the founder who's making sure everything runs smoothly.
Over here, you'll see a traditional cleaning crew utilizing a swing stage to clean this building. It's a common sight in cities all around the world. They allow workers to access the exterior of tall structures and perform tasks like window cleaning, painting, and more. But now, there's a safer and more efficient way. A method that eliminates the risk involved with mid-rise work and saves significant costs. Welcome to the future of building maintenance, drone technology. With drones, we can clean and maintain buildings without putting human lives at risk. Unlike swing stages, drones can reach areas that are hard to access. They work faster, and they're controlled remotely from the safety of the ground. We fly nationwide. Are you ready to step into the future and clean your property in less time with less headache? Join the league of satisfied clients that are embracing technology. Contact Liberty Drones today at libertybelldrones.com. We're active on LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube. The future of cleaning is now.